Well, hey there, Jim Hanson here. Good and happy Friday to you. It's been a minute, so I'm getting back on my Friday video routine. And mortgage, real estate, and life is my kind of tagline for my videos. And we'll start out with mortgage. So we are helping lots of first-time home buyers out there in the market. Guild is still very much involved in making a pathway to homeownership on every level. So that's super cool. We are doing credit scores down to 600 on both FHA and VA. That's the mortgage side. So if you hear some guitar and some singing in the background, my son's practicing the guitar. So anyway, on the real estate side, so I was just talking to one of my referral partners here a little bit ago, and she's running some data and looking at the supply of houses is less than it was last year. There's more pendings and less inventory. So that means that prices will stay hopefully flat or could increase, but you're going to run into multiple offers. So my advice with that is if you're not completely pre-approved, we need to get you there because that's what you need to do to get your offer accepted. So kind of predicting multiple offers on properties on some sectors of the market. As far as life goes, I got a haircut. So anyway, and that's super awesome. So it's been a couple months. My daughter did it last time, and I decided to get a haircut, find someone that could actually do that. And then the Hanson compound is great. Kids are good, wife's good, we're blessed, and we're just glad to be available to do a video to you. So anyway, make it a great weekend. Again, Jim Hanson, 916-730-4402. JimHanson.net on the web, and make it a super awesome weekend. If you need something, I'll be around. Thank you.